What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Defy the System. I am so sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I just started a new job. I've been really busy. Please forgive me, but I want to show you, since we got this breakout that we were looking for in the last video, I found something in the charts that I just have to show you because things are shaping up to be explosive, like huge in November potentially. So looking back in 2013, I've been thinking the crash we saw in May really caught a lot of people off guard because a lot of people were expecting the bull run to play out exactly like 2017, and it just has not been like 2017. But it is starting to really look like it is going to play out exactly like it did in 2013. And, I speculated earlier in the bull run that we might see a double top situation like in 2013, but looking at it now, it is playing out move for move. We had the run up starting in December, January, with the peak around April, leading into a crash on May, where we saw downside and sideways trading until about July, where things started to reverse. In August, we really started picking up steam. Exactly like this bull run. And then September, October, we really started picking up steam. And that's actually when we took out this crucial resistance right here. And then we saw a blow off top, absolutely explosive monthly candle for November. And the fact that the patterns are tracking so similarly and on the exact same dates, I think this is something we should pay attention to and potentially be prepared for a blow off top move like this. Now, let me show you in Bitcoin. So like I said, we had the, picking up steam and towards the end of the year, October, November, December, leading into the highs near March and April, and then a crash in May, downside and sideways movement until July, where things started picking up. Move for move, month for month. August and September really started picking up steam, just like in 2013. And then we have broken this crucial Fibonacci resistance right here, this red zone, the 618 to 786, and we are above it. Be prepared for a potentially explosive monthly candle for the month of November, taking Bitcoin potentially up to 100,000 and Harmony One up to at least 70 cents to $1. I would not be surprised at all to see the explosive move we all want to see finally coming in November. Or with altcoins, altcoins always do pump behind Bitcoin, so maybe it could bleed over into December. Maybe alts don't peak out till December. But I think it is time to be optimistic that we are in bullish territory and have a bullish bias. Whether you're a long-term holder or a trader, use this information into your plan. For me, I've told you guys I'm a long-term holder. I don't trade. I have certain price targets where I plan on selling 20% when we reach them to buy back lower, but they're pretty high price targets that we may not necessarily see. But, if you're trading or you have a similar plan, November, maybe December, we could potentially be seeing some explosive moves for you to take advantage of. And we will be tracking those closely on this channel. So definitely stay tuned. I'm not going to be, waiting a week to post videos anymore. I'll be more consistent, so I apologize about that. But I just drew some scribbles on here a second ago where I was kind of imagining what I think we might see next. Basically, Harmony One's volume bottomed out at 175 million, and it seems to be turning around right now. And I think that we will only see it increase from here in the short term. So if we continue to see our volume increase from 175 million up to 200, 300, 400 million, etc., we're going to put in a pattern kind of like this, where we start to knock at this immediate resistance of around 24 cents and then break through it, hopefully flip it into support, and then start taking a punch at around 26 cents to get the move we're looking for towards 30 to 35 cents. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Is I would not be surprised at all to see us above 30 cents next week, and then moving past that, I would not be surprised to see us start really picking up steam and making the move towards around 70 cents. I know 70 cents is a big target that we're all watching. The thing I want to watch the most, and I recommend you guys keep an eye on the most too, is our volume. I want to see our volume, our 24-hour trading volume, crack 1 billion. We have not had 24-hour trading volume above 1 billion, and we need to get there. If we're going to be making the massive moves we all want to see, ideally our 24-hour trading volume needs to be a couple billion, like 3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion, even better. That's the type of 24-hour trading volume we see with cryptos when they're making moves like the one Solana made recently or Cardano. We need to be in the billion-dollar range for our 24-hour trading volume, and we've been getting close lately. We got up to 800, maybe even 900 million recently. We are getting so bullish, and it's just a really exciting time. I think we really could see some exciting moves in November. So just stay tuned, and we will see where it goes. I will be tracking it closely and posting more regularly so I can share my insights with you guys. But just let's take a quick look at the lower time frame real quick. So we had these lower highs on the RSI, a downtrend on the RSI. So I understand why people would be saying online that this looks kind of bearish, because normally this would be potentially, bearish. I mean, we got lower and lower highs on the RSI. However, you got to keep in mind the bigger picture being, inflation rising, higher than it has in the past decade, shelves empty at stores, Bitcoin doing something it hasn't done since 2013 when it made a massive move in November. So crypto overall is looking healthy. This normally would be kind of a bearish pattern and a potential warning signal for maybe a quick dump down to 17 cents before a reversal. So, worst case scenario, maybe we could see, it fall down to 17, 18 cents before resuming the uptrend, and even that would still be a healthy uptrend if we fell that low. But I don't think we necessarily will. I think with what Bitcoin's doing, I think crypto is extremely bullish right now, and alts are just waiting for their alt season that is about to come. And when we look at this pattern on the 1 hour, it is showing some signs of recovery. So we have this low, the lower low, and then two higher lows. And so, I like to look for this pattern, and it does seem to tell the story of the bears losing strength. So the sellers are running out of selling power. You can see both of these can be considered the right shoulder, because you don't always see it play out perfectly. A lot of times it is going to be like this, where there's two peaks together that are kind of like the shoulder. And so to me, this does tell the story of the sellers losing strength. So I do think we are due to see the bulls step it up and take advantage of this weakness that the bears are showing. And like I said, especially with Bitcoin's strength, crypto looks amazing right now with what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin leads the market, so we need to pay attention to Bitcoin, and what it's doing right now is a super bullish indicator. So like I said before, let's keep a level head. If things don't play out the way we want, that's okay. I'm not telling you to FOMO in and, take out a home equity loan and throw it at anything right now. I'm just telling you, we could be seeing an explosive November. So let's track it. Let's follow it. I told you the things we want to look out for is the Harmony 1 volume, to see it steadily increase from where it was a few moments ago at 175 million. We wanted to see it steadily increase, and that would be huge for Harmony 1. I would love to see our 24-hour trading volume at like 3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion. Then we can start really getting excited, and we will start seeing those massive price targets that we all know we are going to hit. So that's all I really got for you guys. I'll make another video on price analysis soon. I'll also make another video soon on a new staking opportunity for all you guys out there who love earning good staking rewards. Obviously, we all do. It's one of the best parts of DeFi. So until then, have fun putting your Halloween costumes together and getting ready for Halloween. We are about to see a huge treat here coming for us after Halloween. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are. I will see you guys next time.